In this video, I'm about to show you how to add the location of your business on Google Maps. First, go to the Google Business Profile website and click on Sign in the top right corner. Once signed in, you may see an offer for $400 in ad credit when you spend $400, which you can check if you're interested. Now on your business profile, click on Edit Profile. Next, click on Location to update your business address. Then scroll down to the Business Location section. You'll now see a map with a red location pin. Click on the red location pin to add your business address. Enter the street address followed by the address line if necessary. Next, fill in the sector, town, city, and postcode fields. Then enter your service area and opening hours. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Now go back to your business profile and you should see the address added successfully. To generate a QR code for your business location, open a new tab and search for a QR code generator. Next, click the first link to access the tool. Go back to your Google Business Profile, click on your address, and click on the red location icon on the map. Copy the URL from the address bar to copy your business location. Now go back to the QR code generator website and paste the URL into the provided field. Then select the frame style you want for your QR code, then click on Download QR. Finally, continue with Google to complete the download. Now choose the format you want and download the QR code. Now your business location is easily accessible via a QR code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.